Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you about I'm just going to talk about the assistive ball convenience tool on OPPO mobile phone settings. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After that just click on the search bar and search for the assistive ball. Okay, so here it has came assistive ball, just click on it. When you click on it, here you are going to first option is the assistive ball. It has says the drag the assistive ball to move its position. If you want to move the assistive ball, just you have to activate this icon, just click on this icon. So from now you can move all this. Double tap, touch and hold, tap, go back, menu button, you can control this all right now. Okay, and if you want to off, just click on this icon. This all will be deactivated, you can't control it. Okay, and if you want to activate this all, you want to change, just click on this icon assistive ball, and now you can change the gesture operations. Okay, and tap menu or gesture operations, you can exchange this all. See, this all are the tap menu. Okay, it has written this one is the go back option, this one is the take a screenshot, this one is the recent task, this one is the lock phone screen, home screen. So if you want to this gesture operations, here is the gesture operations. Okay, this one is this go back. So from here is the notification drawer, lock screen, you can see from here. Okay, if you want to know about this assistive ball, this is the assistive ball. Okay, and here is the opacity. If anyone doesn't know about the opacity, you can ask from me, and if you know, then just write in there I know, and the meaning also. Okay, and on the last is the hide in full screen. So this one, it says the when the assistive ball is hidden, you can pull down from the top edge of the screen to show it again, and if you want to off, you can off. If you want to make activate this hide in full screen, you can activate it. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.